In response to the growing health and economic challenges facing families, stakeholders in the health sector have called for a large-scale medical outreach targeting infants, children, and mothers. Speaking at a media briefing in Abuja, experts emphasized that the mission will extend care to all children, regardless of age, ensuring no child lives without attention, treatment, or support. Described as a collective challenge, they called on individuals, organizations, and communities to contribute in any way they can, whether through resources, services, or volunteer support. On the upcoming mission, speakers said it will provide essential services, including the warming, malaria testing, medical checkups, and the distribution of medication. They said it's important that children don't take medicine on empty stomachs, ensure proper nutrition in order to facilitate treatment. The initiative comes as many families continue to struggle with the effects of economic instability, making access to healthcare and basic necessities increasingly difficult.
So the mission coming up will address the issues of infants from 0 to 12 years old. We are not going to neglect their mothers as well. I mean, there is no way a mother can bring an infant that is sick and she's also sick and will not take care of her.
It's a challenge, it's an assignment to all of us, especially those who are having the means. Those who have the little, they should share it. The act is teaching us, or the family is teaching us, when you have the little, share it with your neighbor. Give it to your brother. Give it to your sister. It don't accumulate.
In respect for the medical missions, primarily in show of appreciation and her the unmet needs, the healthcare needs, the community. Our mother has chosen to carry out medical outreach